Our project name is Pong game using Arduino. My name is Akash and I am the team leader. My role is the project manager.
My name is Manus Sarwal. My role is to introduce about the project and discuss about the problem statement.
My name is Sumit. My role is resource manager in our project.
Myself Maheshwari and I am the budget manager of the project.
Myself Pavani and my role is discuss about the merits of the project.
I am going to introduce about our prototype. A classic Pong game using Arduino. As the name itself suggests, it's a game which has been controlled by the Arduino UNO as the main microcontroller. It is a game which has been played by the user and an artificial intelligence, either the computer. And this is a game which is an extension of a table tennis sports game. It is a previously launched 1980s games, and it is a game which has been launched and made a sensation all over the world. And when it comes to the complexity has been very much high in previous versions of this game, and we have tried to reduce the complexity of the game in our prototype.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumit. I am the resource manager of our project. I am going to tell about what components are required in our project. It is an 0.96 OLED display which displays the game, and these two push buttons are moves. It is helpful for paddle move up and down in vertical position, and this jumper wires are used for connecting to the breadboard and Arduino Uno. It is a Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller which controls the whole system, and USB cable is used for uploading the source code and for power supply.
As a project manager, now I am going to explain about the connections of Arduino Uno. So coming to the connections, the GND of OLED display is connected to the ground pin of Arduino Uno, and the VCC of OLED display is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno, and the SCL is connected to the analog pin A5 of Arduino Uno, and SDA is connected to the A4 analog pin of Arduino Uno. Now coming to the push buttons. The push buttons have 4 terminals, but 2 terminals are connected to the other 2 terminals internally. So one of the end of the terminal is connected to the ground pin on both the push buttons, and the other terminal of one push button is connected to the digital pin 2, which acts as the up push button, and the other push button which is connected to the digital pin 3 acts as the downward push button. So now coming to the working of this prototype, here there are 2 push buttons which are used as the paddle up and down buttons. So here if we press the right button, it is paddle down, and if we press the left button, it is paddle up. And now using these push buttons, we are hitting the ball, and the left side paddle is operated by an artificial intelligence. You can see it clearly.
I am going to discuss about the demerits of existing solutions and the merits of a project. Coming to demerits of existing solutions, digital electronics and TV displays. As it requires digital electronics and TV displays, it requires more space for setup, and the cost is very high, and it is portable. And it is not portable. It cannot carry it from one place to another place. As it requires any regarding software of game or any related issue, it cannot be. It could be affected whole effect, or sometimes it could be damaged. The extension version of this prototype is Pong console. It is portable, and the microcontroller is used in the prototype is very expensive. The extension version of this prototype is smartphones and game phones. There is a big problem in the user data leakage. It contains more glitches and debugs. To overcome this problem, our prototype is a best solution. It is a portable. It can carry one place to another place easily, and the cost of building is also very low. It does not require any space for the setup. The size of prototype is very small.
I'm going to tell about the budget and the objectives of this project. The main objective of this project is for entertainment purpose. We all need is entertainment in nowadays. The classic Pong game, when it was invented, it was a big sensation in those days because it successfully connected the electronic gadgets and the TV display to create a new medium of gameplay. Our prototype is an extension version of the existing prototypes. They have many demerits, and our project overcome those demerits. And the overall budget we spent on this prototype is 800 rupees.
I'd like to thank our principal sir, Major Dr. V.N. Narayana sir, and also Suresh Ram sir, Ceer HOD, and also our concerned faculty members, Mr. Cmrcet Ceer sir, Assistant Professor, Mr. B. Kondalu, Assistant Professor, and Mr. Raman Kumar, Assistant Professor, for helping our project. Thank you.